Struggling with cold, rigid plastic breast pumps while being tied to a wall outlet by tangled tubes is one of the most isolating and uncomfortable aspects of a modern breastfeeding routine. The eufy Security Heated Wearable Breast Pump S1 Pro completely revolutionizes early parenthood by transforming a tedious chore into a luxurious, mobile, and soothing self-care experience. Engineered to slide seamlessly inside your everyday nursing bra, this true hands-free double pump kit pairs absolute physical freedom with groundbreaking warming technology, allowing you to collect your precious liquid gold while cooking, taking calls, or playing with your family. The definitive breakthrough for this premium S1 Pro model is its industry-leading HeatFlow technology. While ordinary pumps can feel shockingly cold against your skin and cause microtensions that actively stall milk letdown, the S1 Pro features an integrated, safe heating element covered by soft, skin-friendly silicone. Controlled by precision sensors, it delivers a choice of 7 adjustable heat settings ranging from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Celsius. This gentle, spa-like uniform warmth actively promotes the dilation of breast tissue and milk ducts, which is clinically proven to reduce the risk of painful clogged ducts while boosting your overall milk output by up to 30%. Raw performance is engineered flawlessly into its incredibly compact framework. Despite its ultra-slim profile, the S1 Pro delivers true hospital-strength suction, topping out at a powerful 300 mm of mercury. This immense emptying power is paired with an incredibly quiet micromotor operating below 46 decibels, making it whisper quiet and perfectly discreet for Zoom meetings or late-night sessions right next to a sleeping baby. Finding your personal comfort sweet spot is entirely effortless through the eufy Baby app's OptiRhythm technology. Using your smartphone, you can remotely fine-tune your session by blending 3 adjustable cycle speeds, 4 distinct pumping rhythm modes, and 7 intensity levels to mimic your infant's unique nursing pattern. On-the-go utility gets a massive upgrade thanks to an industry-first premium wireless charging case. Rather than hunting for charging bricks and cables between every session, you simply place the pump hubs inside their custom-molded magnetic hardshell case. The case acts as a powerful portable battery pack, storing enough reserve capacity to give you up to 5 full days of pumping power before the case itself needs a recharge. Designed with a strict closed-system diaphragm to prevent milk from ever backing up into the motor, the 5-ounce collection cups feature a secure double-seal leak-proof architecture and a reinforced lower half, meaning you can confidently move and lean forward without losing a single drop. If you are ready to permanently fire yourself from the wall outlet, ditch the painful chill of traditional pumps, and claim a smart, deeply soothing wireless layout that tracks your metrics automatically, this heated wearable pump is the ultimate lifestyle upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment letting me know if you would find the built-in heat or the 5-day charging case most helpful, and I will see you in the next video.